A complex number z is represented as x plus iy, where x is the number associated with the real part and y is the number associated with the imaginary part. Now, how do we find the conjugate? We write it as z bar equals x minus iy. So the conjugate of x plus iy is x minus iy and vice versa. And what is I? I is root of minus 1. So let us try to find the conjugate of I cube. So I square equals root of minus 1 whole square, which is minus 1. So I cube is I square into I, which is minus 1 into I, which is minus I. So this can be represented as 0 minus 1 into I, right, where x is 0 and y is minus 1. So let me call this as z. Now what is the conjugate of this? The conjugate of this is, I need to change minus to plus, so it's going to be plus I. So the conjugate of I cube is plus I. Find the conjugate of the number z equals 3 plus 4i the whole square. So now this is of the form a plus b whole square. So let me expand this: a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. So 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, I square is minus 1, plus 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 4 is 24. So we get 24i. So this is 9 minus 16, plus into minus is minus. So minus 16 plus 9 is minus 7. So I have minus 7 plus 24i. So this is z. So here x is minus 7, y is 24. So what is its conjugate? The conjugate is minus 7 minus 24i.